Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren and I'm Maureen. So today we are in the streets of Nairobi and we're going to be asking Kenyans, where is Jamaica located? Do they know? Come with us, let's go find out. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Cheryl.
Cheryl?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah, of course I do.
What do you know about them or what have you heard about them?
Okay. About Jamaica, I know the country. I've heard they love reggae, right? Yeah, I love the culture, the reggae culture. I love their accent. I know people like Cautions,
Oh, okay.
Vibes Cartel. Yeah, they're a vibe.
All right. And if you're given an opportunity to visit Jamaica, is it something you'd consider?
I would not hesitate. I would love to be in Jamaica.
Oh, wow. What would you like to see or experience when you get there?
Their culture. I would love to know more about their culture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you consider marrying a Jamaican man if you found one?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you know the location of Jamaica?
No.
You don't? Okay. Have you ever heard of the Caribbean?
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Yeah, so Jamaica is located in the Caribbean, but there are other islands other than Jamaica. Do you know other islands in the Caribbean? And why do you think Jamaica is the only popular country from the Caribbean or the most known country there?
Their culture. Their culture is outstanding.
Okay. So what would you tell the other Caribbean islands to do for them to become known or popular like Jamaica?
They should embrace culture.
And show us more what they have.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. So thank you so much for your time.
I appreciate as well.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Reggie.
Reggie?
Yep.
Okay, today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yep.
Oh, what do you know about it or how have you heard about it?
I know it from music. Yeah, the reggae music, Bob Marley actually. Yep.
Okay, and is Jamaica a country you'd like to visit given the opportunity?
Yeah, so that I can go and know the culture of the people, the Rastafarians. Yep.
That's nice. And do you know where Jamaica is located?
I just know it's an island in America, I think. Yeah.
Just under North America.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of the Caribbean?
Yep, I've heard from the movies, the Caribbean movie.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Jamaica is one island in the Caribbean. Might you know other islands in the Caribbean?
Nope.
Have you heard of Dominican Republic?
Yep, I've heard of it, but I haven't gone into details.
What about Trinidad and Tobago? You've not?
Nope.
What about Haiti?
Haiti, yep, Haiti, I've heard of it.
So those are just a few islands in the Caribbean.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm okay.
What's your name?
I'm Nimrod.
Nimrod.
Yeah, Nimrod.
All right. So today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yes, I've heard of it.
What have you heard about it or where have you seen it?
I've heard of it. Olympics. They are very good in Olympics, running short races.
Okay. Do you know someone who runs for Jamaica?
Of course, Usain Bolt.
Oh, Usain Bolt. Big up to you.
Yeah.
Okay. And given a chance, is Jamaica a country you'd like to visit someday?
Yeah, it's in the Caribbean. It's a good place. The beach, yeah, it's a good place to visit.
I was going to ask you the location and I see you know. Yeah. So is there anything you'd like to experience when you get to Jamaica or see?
Yeah, the culture. They have a good reggae culture, the music, the partying.
All right.
They know how to enjoy life. Yeah.
Okay, that's a good thing. And where is the Caribbean?
North America.
Oh wow, he's really knowledgeable. That is, I'm impressed. Any message to our Jamaican fans who are watching?
They have a good country. Keep the music going. They have a good culture.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm David.
David.
Yes.
All right. So today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yes, I know Jamaica.
How did you know of Jamaica or what did you hear about it?
Most of their music, reggae and dancehall. Like artists like Vibes Cartel, I know them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you know Vibes Cartel?
Yeah.
So given a chance to go to Jamaica, would you take it?
Yes, definitely.
What would you look forward to experiencing or seeing when you get there?
Mostly their culture. They got good food over there, and their music is also nice. So I like to go to a concert in Jamaica.
Oh, you'd like to experience live performance?
Yes.
Okay. And another question, do you know where Jamaica is located?
Yes, in the Caribbean, I think.
Wow, I like that. You're actually knowledgeable. Some people don't know.
Yeah.
And do you know other countries in the Caribbean other than Jamaica?
Barbados, I think that's the only one I know. Those
Barbados.
two, yes.
How did you come to hear of Barbados?
Mostly to Nani. What's her name? Rihanna, yeah. She's from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and have you ever heard about Trinidad and Tobago?
Trinidad and Tobago, yeah, I think I've heard of them.
Okay, so that's another country there. What about Haiti
Haiti, yeah, I've heard of Haiti.
and Jamaica?
Yeah.
Not Jamaica, but Dominican Republic.
Dominica. Oh, it's also in the Caribbean.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, even Cuba.
Oh.
And have you heard of yeah?
Oh, I thought it was in South America.
No, they're somewhere in the Caribbean. The Caribbean is located below North America and above South America, just in the middle.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. What about? Have you ever heard about a country called Cayman Islands?
Cayman Islands. I think I've heard of them.
What have you heard about Cayman?
I can lie, I don't know. But I've heard of the name.
All right, sawa sawa. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good.
What's your name?
I'm Steven.
Steven.
Yes.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yes.
What do you know about them, or how did you come to know of them?
Because of their music, reggae, and their culture. I think weed. Yes.
And is Jamaica a country you'd like to visit given the opportunity?
Of course, yes.
What would you like to go see or experience?
I could like to experience their life, their cultural practice that they are doing there in Jamaica, so that I can see how different it is from the one we have in Kenya.
Okay. And okay, do you know where Jamaica is located? You're not sure?
I guess I'm not sure.
Okay, it's located in the Caribbean. Have you ever heard about the Caribbean, the word?
No.
You've never heard a song go, "Wine Me Caribbean Girl"? Have you heard of that?
I know.
Okay.
The most reggae I like is that of Lucky Dube. That's the most reggae I always listen to.
Okay, so Jamaica is located in the Caribbean.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Festus.
Festus.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah.
What do you know them for, or what have you heard about them?
I've heard Jamaica about the genres about music, the reggae, the dancehall. Yeah, and also the famous 100 meters Usain Bolt. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, and given a chance, but first of all, do you know where Jamaica is located?
Yeah, but I think it's more of an island. Yeah.
Do you know where it's located?
Not sure.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
Okay, it's located in the Caribbean. Have you heard about the Caribbean, the word Caribbean?
Yeah.
Okay, where have you heard it?
I think their leader, from their leader.
And might you know any other countries in the Caribbean other than Jamaica?
No, I've not done any research about it.
Have you ever heard about Dominican Republic? Have you heard the country?
No.
What about Trinidad and Tobago?
No, I've heard about Tobago, but I have no history about it.
Okay, and Haiti?
I've heard about Haiti.
Okay, and why do you think Jamaica is the most famous island in the Caribbean and these others are not so known?
So I think about the music genres, it attracts many people.
And what do you think these other islands should do for them to become known or popular like Jamaica?
Okay, I think popularity lies about getting to know more about the world, and let's say about Jamaica, they have famous people who can sing, like the dancehall, the reggae, and also the famous Usain Bolt who ran the 100 meters. Yeah.
So the other countries should show us more about their culture.
Yeah.
All right, so thank you so much. Is Jamaica a country you'd like to visit given a chance?
Yeah, sure.
What do you look forward to seeing or experiencing when you get there?
Okay, experiencing the people there, the lifestyle, and the music part.
Okay. So thank you so much.
Welcome.
And what can you tell our Jamaican audience who are watching, because we have plenty of them?
Okay, they can come hear their music from this side. we have manipulated them somehow.
We
Yeah.
have our own Jamaican genres here.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. So thank you so much for your time.